I used to dread small talk, like physically cringe when someone asked me, "How's it going?" I'd panic, mumble something awkward, and then spend the next hour replaying the conversation in my head, wishing I'd said something cooler. Sound familiar? Yeah, I get it. For introverts, small talk feels like some weird social tax we never agreed to pay. But here's the thing. I figured out it doesn't have to be torture. And honestly, once I stopped overcomplicating it, my whole mindset changed. Step 1. Small talk isn't deep. Stop treating it like it is. I used to think every conversation had to be profound. Like if I wasn't dropping wisdom or telling an insane story, I was failing. Then I realized most people just want to exchange vibes, not life philosophies. A simple, crazy weather today, huh? Isn't about the weather. It's just a way to say, hey, I'm friendly, you're friendly, we're cool. That's it. No pressure. Step 2. Steal my go-to questions. I keep a mental cheat sheet. My favorites. Working on anything fun lately? Way better than how's work. Seen any good shows? I need recommendations. People love sharing their obsessions. Got any weekend plans? Even if they say nothing much, you can joke, same, my big plan is not wearing pants. Boom. Instant conversation. Step 3. The Ford method, my secret weapon. Family, occupation, recreation, dreams. These are golden. Example. If someone mentions they're from out of town, occupation or dreams. Oh, cool, what brought you here? Family or recreation. Do you miss home, or are you loving it here? It's not an interrogation, it's just nudging them toward topics they already like talking about. Step 4. Own the awkward. Silence happens. Instead of sweating it, I'll just smirk and say, wow, we really killed that topic, huh? Laughing at the awkwardness makes it less awkward. Step 5. Practice, but start small. I forced myself to chat with baristas, Uber drivers, random dudes at the gym. No big stakes. And guess what? The more I did it, the more I realized most people are just winging it too. Small talk isn't about being the most interesting person in the room. It's about being present, relaxed, and a little playful. And if I, a guy who used to hide in bathrooms at parties, can get decent at it, you definitely can. So next time someone asks how you're doing, don't overthink it. Just hit them with a living the dream, or at least trying to. Then toss the question back. You got this. And hey, if this helped, smash that like button. It's the closest thing we have to a high five through the screen.